to use food as lube or only be able to dirty talk in Shakespearean English?
Oh, darling, hold my ale, for I do see such grand and lovely hills that sway and move as most tender grass. I wish to show exactly how it should grow, as if it were Maybon and May Day. Should I hold you gently? Should I let you flow through my fingers as if you are an errant stream, so wet and wandering? Should I let you sit upon my lap, or create a seat much more fine for your reticent self to be upon me? For I wish to taste you and feel you upon my lips, even after you have left my presence. This night may be long, but I do know it will remain on me even longer.